And we are live. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello guys, good morning. Let's see. Hello guys, good morning. Okay, everything should be alright. The sound seems fine. Good morning. Okay, everything should be alright. Let's wait 3-5 minutes for everybody to jump up, and then we can start. We can start trading. Really curious how today will be, because last week Monday range wasn't the best. There we go. Okay. Good morning, guys. Hello. That's Auto. Good morning, guys. Hello. That's Let's see what we have here. So let's start with my funded list. DXY. DXY already went below Monday low here. We have a gap. We have an inefficiency here, which I think they will reject. DXY it will reject from this inefficiency created here. And also on this one, look here. So I think we might see a rally in the broader markets here. Let's see how euro is looking. Ooh. So have you managed to look at what happened? Ah, yeah, Asia. So they already played a deviation in the Asia on euro. Let's see. I found a really interesting statistic yesterday from some funded traders, and I saw that a lot, which was 80% or about 70% of the profits, they were making in Asia session. So forex trader, about 70% of all the profits that are withdrawn, they are making on Asia session. So, and me and Paul, if you follow us, you saw that a lot of the times we are doing a little analysis of what happened in Asia session when we go in London. And I think that, and we always see good setups that we could have played there. But it's pretty difficult depending on the time frame, depending on the time zone that you live on and stuff like that. It's not suitable as a trader to trade on all three all the three sessions because you need to sleep. And Darmodi says here that on my forex funded list, one of the pro firms, Asia session, the spreads are bad. Yeah. Oh, that's there. Okay. I see GBP, but having already did an analysis here, DXY is telling me that market could push a little bit this week. We might see a little bump here in the markets. We have this gap here, this inefficiency, and this one here. So I think we will reject from them. Let's see. Even though they didn't took the liquidity, so they can still push higher. Let's see what this one is doing here. An M. We have a double top formation here, but still, Monday range is too little to play right now on this one. Let's see. If I take this M and beat to the Monday low, 3.73. Not great, not terrible. This one is pushing. Yes. Oh, we might have a winner. Let's go quick on low time frame. We might have a winner, guys. Yeah, I'm shorting yes. And I think I'll short market, whatever. Whatever feel we get. I'll try a first short here. One second. Okay, I went with 0.25. This is the first one, 0.25. Let's put the paper trade to here. I bid that market $100 risk. There we go. Okay. I like this one. Nice deviation. We have a gap here in inefficiency, which they might want to retest, but they can easily go higher. But I see a confluence of 78.6 maybe, no, of short reload zone with a Monday high, some bearish divergence. Yes, please. Why not? Okay, we have one trade. Hey, Carol. Hello, man. We have one trade. Client deviation. Look at this stuff here. So Monday high. They try to reclaim, but in this moment, you see, we have a fair value gap created here. A fair value gap exactly in the Monday in the Monday range. It means that they are displacing the previous range, meaning that this was a deviation, a reclaim back underneath the range of interest. Okay, I can take a stop loss. I think I will take one more shot if I take a stop loss, but I have one trade. Okay, and if I put a conservative standard deviation, I will watch the price action, how it behaves on this point. But I have some equal lows here. Oh, damn me. Nice risk to reward ratio. Yeah, not bad. We have one trade. Stop loss or take profit, whatever market wants. USD Chashif. And oil. This one is. What are you doing? So it's still there. So we have one trade, guys. We have this one. Yes. And I would like to take oil. I would like to take oil. This one is creating liquidity. No, I'm not taking this M. You don't fool me. You can go to take profit, whatever, I don't care. Yeah, lots of liquidity here to the downside. Let's put an alarm on oil. Auto, I still have the same alarm with 10 bips just to get you mad. Yeah, gold is best suitable for New York. Actually, I have some statistics. I'm working with some guys. Uh, I'm working with some guys from Discord on some statistics of some sample size, and 1 second. 1 second. We have more than 300 trades for the moment, just Monday range. And we came up with US 500, US oil, and USD CAD being the most suitable for Monday range play. US oil, USD CAD, US 500, and DAX. It's working properly too. It's working okay-ish. So we can add USD CAD. I was playing USD CAD a lot just to have a pair that is working in confluence with DXY. I don't know why I deleted it. Okay. Don't you love this setup? I absolutely love it. What percentage on what, Otto? This one I took 0.25. Ah, what percentage of probabilities? I think, one second. So, US 500 has a 57% rate of win rate. Okay, 57 win rate, percent win rate. And it has a rate of being filled of 41%. Like, not always you get a fill. But keep in mind that the risk to reward ratio on this setup is humongous. If you get like Otto who had once and on US oil, you can get 10R or stuff like that. So US 500 57%, USD CAD 54.7, and US oil 67. US oil has a huge win rate. With partial take profits, Otto. At least two risk to reward. I usually take profit. I'm watching 0.5 of the range. This area is very important for me. Usually I take profits here at 0.5 of the range. It's depending on market structure, but I never take profits like this. I don't know, like here. I usually target sell side or buy side liquidity, stuff like that. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Nothing. It did absolutely nothing. I don't know what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is going again in that dark area of zero volatility, and I absolutely hate that area because we need volatility to make money, and usually when it goes to that point where there is no volatility in the market, the setups will not work or will not work properly, which I absolutely hate. Euro USD. Yeah, we had the Monday range raid, but we are a little bit too late. And what I don't like about this, maybe what I would like here, I would like a combination of market structure shift here. So we have a breakout to the down upside, market structure shift. I would wait an entry in the OT here. If you give me an entry in this area, okay. If not, I'm not longing this one here. I would short it around here. Let's see. Oil is forming a lot of liquidity. I like this. Still at entry. I don't mind. And spend some time there. Let's prepare an ATR in case that I get stop loss. Ew. Man, I need a scalp ATR, not a swing trading ATR. Okay, there we go. Can work with this one. So if I get an SFU, I can put my stop loss here. Yeah, that's reasonable. Or what do you mean by Euro USD chick? We have a W here, but I'm not blindly taking W's or any structure like that. It's insufficient for me, this one. This is like catching a falling knife. You don't have an LJ, you don't have anything. But let me know what do you mean, or what should we look for here? Because I will look for a short in this area. I'm just waiting for the price action to get there. I go on 1-2 minutes for execution for the trigger, and then I short. I was watching some altcoins last night. But I don't know. Altcoins, they are looking weak with some exceptions, let's put it like that. But most of the altcoins, they are looking weak. And right now I'm scanning I'm the tip of the iceberg, the ones that pumped. But most of them, and you see the ones that pumped are still here. And most of them, they have this equal low. They have this huge candle from the dump. Football is not a coin, actually. It's a shit coin. Come on, yes. Go down. I want to move my stop loss at break even. Let's see if, but I didn't receive any other alarms. I'm not taking GBPR now, because you see, it took Monday. Sorry, it took Monday range as support right now. Monday high. You don't want to touch this one right now. So what I was having on DAX here, remove everything. Maybe DAX, maybe. Let's see if we get a deviation, a proper deviation here. But right now, I don't like the fact that they are just consolidating this week, and I would be forced to have my stop loss above, and it's not my favorite way of framing a setup. I'm a greedy goblin usually on Tuesday, and I want big risk to reward ratio for this setup, because you are playing the setup just once a week. If you have your plan and you're playing just the setup, um, you want big risk to reward ratio. Okay, so US 500, you have a trade. US soil, I'm waiting. And USD CAD, I would like a short on USD CAD, but I said, okay, DXY might go down. Okay, yeah. So we can search for a short here on USD CAD. Even though they didn't do the liquidity, liquidity unswept, but for a little scalp, I think it can work. We would have the first take profit here. Yeah, it can work. Let's wait a little bit more. I was thinking about Bitcoin. What I hate about Bitcoin lately is that they started to work with these annoying ranges where you don't have an advantage. What you can do is just play the high and play the low, but that it's one trade in a week or one trade at 4 or 5 days, and I'm scalper. Paul is scalping too, and we need more than one trade a week. to make a living or to make some money. Where look, and this area was way better. We had a clear structure. Everything was really nice for scalping. Yeah, predictable movements. But here it's a lot of fuckeries, and it's pretty hard to trade this environment. They are just creating liquidity to the upside, to the downside, SFU everybody out, and then uh, and then you will see the real movement in the market. This one it's working on Bitcoin too. I don't have a big sample size. I have about 27 trades on Bitcoin with 1 day range, but it's working. The win rate is higher than 50%, and the risk to reward is definitely higher than 2. So it's working. Let's see what this one wants to do. If we get a stop loss, that's not a problem. Next pass, I'll be looking to short again, but only after it goes back underneath Monday high. I'll be watching euro here, but what is dumping already? I said it will be dumping, but not so fast. Let's see, 4-hour candle. It closed 30 minutes ago. Yeah, it can take this area as support for the moment, and it can go a little bit higher. You can have something like this, liquidity sweep of these highs, and then boom, making a big ass M and goes lower. I can see that forming easily. Okay. Yeah, as I said on Euro, Monday range is really tight. I don't want to trade such a low risk to reward ratio. We'll see if we can fit something here. By the way, guys, if you enjoy this kind of streams, just hit that like button. We are a community of traders. We have investors, we have scalpers, we have NFTs, we have DeFi, we have Carol that is doing a very good job on DeFi. We have a lot of, and we are daily doing this from London to New York. If you want to be a part of our community, feel free to join. We have an investment plan that is ready for the bull market. So there is definitely lots of documentation and value that you can find over there. And any questions that you have, you can join us and ask the questions. We are trading by a journal. We have clean statistics of everything that we are doing. And I think that's the way of a trader. There is no other way than journaling everything, having clear statistics of what the fuck you are doing in the market. Because if you don't know what you are doing in the market, then you are just wasting your time, money, and you are lying to yourself. And I don't think you want to do that. You can do that. I think a lot of people are doing that. But it won't be profitable in the long run. You'll be in the market just to waste money. And I think you want to make money. I think everybody wants to make money on the space. That's why you are here. Being crypto, DeFi, NFTs, day trade on a prop firm, and everything like that. Okay, it might go for our sub loss. Let's see. I have it at 44.5 here. I have 44, 45. Let's see. Render. It seems like we have a long. I just connected right now to Binance and we have a long. Oh fuck, sorry. Okay, stop loss hit. Next bus, let's wait. They deviated here, you can see, closed and then they reclaimed. It happens a lot of times. Render, we have a long here. I don't know if I had the time to post it. But I think they will SFU one more time, so not a problem. For whoever wants to take it, you can take it. Let's see. Big dump on this one, but we have a clear market structure shift here, a bullish one. Let's see, maybe it finds support. This one should reject. Okay, US oil. No. I want you to go down. What is going on? I don't get it. It looks like they SFU'd already. Oh, that's not Monday. That's Monday. But that's not the Monday low. What's going on here? This should be the Monday low. It's not trustworthy, this pump, in my opinion. Let's wait a bit. It looks like a retest, like a bearish retest. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it made a new high, Carol. That's true. You're right. Sorry. I had the reload zone from last night, so I think we are already at 78.5. 70.5. We are already at sweet spot. Yeah, Rocco. I saw that. It's from TradingView. I don't know what they are doing, some kind of fuckery, but damn, oil is looking ready. So if they would take if oil would take first the low um, and the high, actually both of them is looking very good. So it's looking like a deviation here and plenty of room to go down. In the same time, it can look like a deviation here. So I think oil is a good play today. Yes, might go here in the long run. Let's see, might put a W. But low time frame, I expect a rejection here. If I see some sort of M or something like that structure, I will short it and then target Monday low on euro. This is a liquidity area here. But I need some trigger. Or if I have a very good location like 78.6, I can short exactly here like this. But first I want to see some sort of reversal on 3 minutes. Okay, let's go on tell me what you see, Julian. Don't just US 500 1 hour. What do you see on US 500? 1 hour? Yeah, short reload zone here, ascending. I had some doing some homeworks there. So price might reject in this area easily. Maybe 78.6, shark, or 88.6, that area. Let's wait for some sort of reaction here for a short. Let's see UNFI. UNFI. We have a clear setup on UNFI, I think, from yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, Carol, no? Let's see. Yeah, yeah. Even though it's the strongest alt in the market, I'm playing my setup. This is the moment where they brought the structure to the downside. So this was just an SFU, but here they confirmed. And we can have an entry at the previous high. I would not be that greedy. I would take it here. Something like this. Plenty of room to go down. Yeah, 2.5 exactly here. Okay. Definitely, Carol, it looks good. It looks like a clear setup here. Let's see. Let's go back. So euro, I will wait for a trigger on 35 minutes. Once it gets up here, I'll try to short. Would have been ideal for US oil to go down and deviate, and this one would have been ideal to go up and then deviate. But I think they want to play a little bit more. They want to create more liquidity because I don't think that they will take this liquidity now. There is no reason for them to do that, for the market to do that. They didn't took buy side or sell side liquidity, so we have equal highs, we have equal lows. Yeah, I know, Carol. I want realized profits too. That's why I will first take profit here, then here. You know me. I secure profits all the time. I secure profits all the time. So we have two setups here. Let me change the list. Let me see if you find anything else, because maybe if you already. I think I gave this one yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Yeah, Monero. Yeah, this one is on. So we have, let's make a trade overview. Sorry. Yeah, we have Monero. Render it's on. What no. I think that would be it. Oh no, Carol. I will explain. Yeah, this was obvious liquidity draw, Carol. You can see here. So we had first the uh, previous high liquidity point that was swept. Then we had the market structure shift to the downside, and then they just created liquidity here. This was like brain dead. Look at this. Was absurd. Was easy. But what I did actually here is I put my order. For example, if I would have had an entry at normal 61.8, just to be sure that I will not be, you see, I put my order how I usually put it at 61.8, and then I put my entry exactly at the SFU of this highs, and I left some room here in case that we get another SFU. That's how it's just based on liquidity, nothing else, and market structure. DAX 4 hours. Oh, preparing for a launch. DAX is preparing for a launch here. But you know how we like to say, it's a fake out and not a breakout. Let's presume that it's a fake out and not a breakout. Okay. Okay, let's put a take profit target for this one because I want it to be out of my mind, let's say. We have plenty of trades and I want this to be clear for everybody. So we have a 2.5 and 6. That would be definitely would be TP1 exactly here at this liquidity draw, and I'll be taking 30%. I will take the half of this part because we have a breaker block exactly here. I will take 50 and then trail the rest. Sorry. Okay, let's get back. Let's see. Yeah, hit me up, guys, with coins and stuff like that. Carol, go. So we got Render, we got Unfi, we got Monero. Monero soon will be stop loss at break even, so we have only 2 open risk out of 3 trades. Okay, that one I think I framed yesterday in the. No, I wasn't in the London. I wasn't in the New York. I was in the London. I'm doing a lot of work preparing the office. I really want. I don't know. I think more streams will come. I'll be speaking with PJ, but that once I'll get settled and everything will be as I would like. The desk, the setup, everything. And I'm working on it right now. And let's see what we have left. Left. Just a breaker block. I don't like it. Who said I'm not interested in it? What you took here? Short, long? Took short. But yes, I'm not interested in this one. That's true. Okay, DAX has stopped exactly at Monday high. Okay, okay, DAX. One more SFU, one more push to the upside. Too long? Yeah, I'm not interested. Maybe we can play DAX. I like it. So, US oil is still at equilibrium here. We can't do anything. I have my alarm set, so we should just go on and scan here the market. Bitcoin dominance in a boring range, so our setup should work. Equal highs, no thank you. Shipping liquidity, maybe no. You see, a lot of altcoins like this one, they look like they are hanging because look at, I mean, you can see it very well, but look at this structure here. Parallel structure, boom, next leg down. Parallel structure, boom, I think next leg down. They will go down, most of the altcoins. Yeah, me neither. Me neither, Carol. But we have this one, so we should be fine. We have some exposure in the market. 1% is okay. I'll be playing Monday range on Bitcoin too. I'm just waiting right now. You see, this is so obvious. So we have three lows here and equal lows at Monday low. This is screaming for you long here, scalp long, and maybe using this low as a stop loss or some ATR. Okay, and this liquidity here to the upside. So we just need to wait a little bit for them to find their resolution on what they want to do, what market wants to do here. Okay. Equal high, not interested. This one has set up here, but and we have an LJ that it broke down here. I don't like the risk to reward ratio. No. Ethereum? No. Maker? No. Yeah, not too many things. They are just drawing liquidity over the board and SFU, creating liquidity. Nope. Mm. I'm using the Jonathan Mayer's one from the TRI. This one. Let's see, ATR. And it has 3 levels. I really like this one. Okay, there we go. Oh, what the hell? Oh, there we go. And for scalping 5-9 minutes, I usually use 4 hours or 1 hour. Did work. There we go. Yeah. For example, if I see a deviation, if I see that they are trying to SFU, I'll use the ATR as a stop loss. Either 1 hour or 4 hours, depending. Let's see back. Not many. Okay, guys, shield me your altcoins if you want to scalp them, or I don't know. What is Euro doing here? We don't have a clear setup yet, but it's trying to put some short indications. So we might be able to find a short here on Euro. DAX, damn, this is pure fuckery. They just avoided it just avoided Monday high by a few pips here. Yes, it's going back inside the range. Let's see. If I see it closing back, I'll give it one more shot. US oil pumping, that's good. Go to Monday high. And USD CAD still there. Yeah. Okay, let's scan. Even though I don't see too many things, here I see a short opportunity. No, it's just a range. Damn, I'm still in this short. Oh yeah, I'm still in this short. Crazy. This is illiquid like my cash. Same stuff. Let's hide this one. It's not helping me. We have some setups, but I don't like the location of them. What I like is like Unfi has. We had a giga pump here. Let's watch open interest. I'm curious if people have started closing the longs. Yeah. So I can clearly see that people started closing longs here, which is good for my short. Yeah. Look at this, exactly the same stuff. Huge, humongous pump, and then people are starting to redistribute the longs and closing them. And what is happening here? So they open a lot of longs, and then actually on this distribution they are just closing longs all over the board. And here looks like the beginning. We can have one more spike to the upside, meaning that I don't know, some breakout traders will try to. Yeah, that's complete. Sorry, that's the previous week high. Sorry, Rocco. Exactly. So they stopped that previous week high, but it took Monday high here. Exactly. Monday high, previous week high is not a bad area to short to. Yeah, so Unti looks valid for me. Looks like a distribution wyckoff over here. We can have one more, how Dalmudi likes to say, SBFU, or I don't know, the deviated part. SFU, SBFU, and there was one more. Carolina SBFU. Caroline. Yeah, that's an inside joke. Sorry. You have to join and ask Dalmudi about that pattern. I love Alice. Alice gave me one of the best trades that I had this. I don't know where I had, but it gave me one of the best trades. Short trades around here. You can see this weak to the downside. They are just struggling here to form something, and most of them they will reject a breaker block or a previous S&R level like here, and they will just go and there we go. They will just go and feel this weak to the downside. Thank you very much, Darmody. There you go, guys. You have it. You asked for it. And we had the setup here on Euro. Looks like they are going down without any notice. Let's see, 1 minute. This is not an M. This is an M. I was sure about this. Now I don't think I'll get an entry. Yeah, I I was looking at this Dalmudi. I want to short it, but no. Oh my god. Okay. Don't go straight to take profit, please. I want. Oh my god. If it's coming back up here, I'll be shorting. What the fuckery they did today. What the fuckery. It's my mistake that I was scanning, but this movement, man. 1 minute movement, so. This was the candle to short here. This candle body closed, but I think they teleported this candle because after the confirmation was done, everyone that is playing this kind of, I know institutions are playing, or maybe algorithms or stuff like that, because it's pretty easy to create an algorithm that is shorting a confirmation above or below a level. But look at after the confirmation, boom. If I get a retracement on 61.8, no, that's a little bit too high, but that would be ideal. But yes, I would try to short it again. Let's scan quickly. Okay, we're going higher. US oil, it's just having the time of his life. And euro had a nice SS setup here. Brought the structure to the downside, SFU, and boom. I think I was out of my hand today with some execution, but I should have went on really low time frame in order to execute this kind of trades. But that's a trader's life. Two ways to play this one, either OCO order, limit order in case that they go below this area, take your order, or waiting for this 2 minutes candle to close underneath the monthly range. If they give us an entry, hell yeah, I'll take it. I know, but I was quite. This was a move that I I saw that they were trying to do this, rejecting and then go below again. I'll be longing a scalp long here on Bitcoin, this equal low, but I'll be waiting for a 5 minutes reclaim or short in the same manner. Yeah, I think yes, it's bye-bye. Such a nice mountain man here on yes on euro. Also, we can fit an LJ, but I think this one is going down without any second notice. But if I get a retest here, definitely I'll hit the short button on this one. 1 second, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me? Okay. I think I forgot to unmute. Can you hear me? Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, such a dump. What a dump this one had here. Tomo has some equal highs that I'm watching. I will short Tomo here if I get a chance. But I will short the deviation. Not Gal, sorry, not Tomo. Gal. Same stuff here with Chebx. Maybe we get a second chance on yes. Would be very kind from his part. I'll put my limit order. I'll try not to be greedy. I'll put 2 orders. I'll go with 0.3%, and I'll split. I'll split it into. I'll take 1 order here and one at 61.8 because we rate the risk to reward ratio is really nice. And we can have a week to the upside to fill the order and then go down. See, their market is not waiting, just straight dumping, straight pumping. Let's see US oil. Slowly but surely, it's grinding up. USD CAD. Yeah, we might have a. Yeah, I will short this one if I get a chance here. That would be it. I'll play US oil and ES and USD CHF. You have a target here for Bitcoin. And also here. So it can easily go through all these lows and retest that big wick. That's why it's good to wait. If we have a movement in the market, it's good to wait for a reclaim and not blindly shoot that level. Euro it's into a breaker block here. And S&R. It might go down to take some orders, to take some liquidity and then push higher. Baker Tilly. When I was in audit, I had an interview at Baker Tilly. Yes, Christian. Um, we got fucked up in the first place for on ES, but now I'm just waiting for an entry here. Bake. Yeah, I was speaking about. I was having when I was working in audit. I had an interview at Baker Tilly. They were so proud to no loop style. Yeah. They were so proud to introduce me and speak to me about such what a great firm they are. Like what the fuck? I care about money, not I don't care about working. Uh, I don't care about where I work. I work about money and to be okay. But now I don't care at all because I'm trading. I care about being left alone and do my job. But they were telling me that I should be proud to work for them. Let's see. It's like being proud to feed your family or puts food on the table. My daughter will ask me, "What do we eat today, Daddy?" Proud, I know what. Yeah. One second, I got a phone. We will eat pride on slice of bread. Okay. Yeah, that's tasty. But it's the same. I think that these institutions they are a little bit too full of themselves, especially the big four on audit. We have Deloitte and all the others. Let's see again. Okay, pushing for the highs. US oil pushing for the highs. Euro is dumping. Yeah, good point, Almodi. Good point. This session looks interesting. It has a lot of volatility and they are respecting the level nicely, but we need an entry. We need an entry. Good job, good, well pointed, Richard. Well pointed. In the past, pride was about going in the army, serving your nation. I don't know, doing some really mind blowing discoveries and about creating. Now, USD CAD. Okay, push it. I want to short USD CAD here because I think the XY will go down eventually from this area. You see liquidity exactly in the 61.8. So I think it's pushing a little bit more and then dump. Building. There are so many inside jokes. building liquidity, building positions, building liquidity, building everything that you want. I'm building renovations right now. So yeah, we are builders here on Crypto Traders Arena. We are some really grown ass builders. We are building everything from positions to houses to generational poverty, generational wealth. Wanted to. That's what Carol wanted to say. Excuse him. Yeah, we need to have fun here. If we don't have fun, I don't know how you would go with this. Not easy. Euro. It's worth taking a long here on euro, maybe. Scalp long. Yeah, render look like it wants to die. Let's see the open interest if they are opening any new longs in the market. But yeah, actually they are opening longs. So I think it's trying to build something, Carol. I think render is trying to build something here. It doesn't look good indeed, but it's supported by new longs. But they are opening shorts. They can open shorts as support, yeah. That too. We have some bullish divergence forming. Give it some room, Carol. Don't be mean. Would be funny for years now to take my orders and take my stop loss too. It's not like I don't see this every day. Exactly. I don't know if they are longs or shorts. But you have a confluence. If the market is going up, the market structure is building upside momentum, and the open interest is going upside, that's a good indication that they are opening longs. But and maybe shorts in the same time. But if market structure is going down and open interest is going down, that's a clear sign that we are not going to pump. And we have a trade on non fee. You should die now. As I said here, I can easily see one more SFU to the upside and then dump. And in that case would be actually good and bad. I will take a stop loss, but it will be good because I can frame a really nice risk to reward setup uh, by just waiting for a candle on 2-3 minutes to close below this one and take a short like this, something like this. Yeah. So anyway would be it's fine. Yeah, Uni OBV is looking strong, I know. I think there are some indicators that are showing the delta, the aggregate volume, and stuff like that. One very good dude on indicators, it's Leviathan. He's very, very, very good at doing indicators. And you can see the liquidation levels here. For example, the people that have 100x leverage, 50x leverage, and how they get liquidated. 25, 15, and 100 liquidation. And this dude has a lot of good indicators. If you want to read the structure, open interest, liquid bands, net position, net shorts, and net longs. There you go. So this is Richard. This is a very good indicator which I was looking at, and it tells you if they are opening shorts or longs. And you can see here. I think it's taking the data from Binance. There you go. Come on, stop messing around. Don't be auto. Stop it. There you go. See, 61k, 36k in longs right now. This candle. So now you know if they are long or short. I'm using this indicator pretty often in my analysis. And you see here, it's supported by new longs opening, and you actually see the number. Net position, long and short. And it's taking Binance and BitMEX, Kraken. You see it here. This is a very, very good indicator. Sorry. Yeah, it's very good. It's very useful to use it, but try to use it on uh, one by one. Don't try to overcomplicate it and show you the short and the long in the same time. Just use it for one of them, or take them one by one. Net positions, this one. Yes, okay. Yes, is trying to grind into our our short position. Let's see if we get an entry. You can see no liquidity, no interest here on what's going on Bitcoin. No longs, no new longs are opening. But they are opening shorts, you can see. Shorts are accumulating. Okay. We might have an entry on ES. We'll see. You're welcome, Richard. Anytime. Leviathan is a very good developer. In the same time, it's a good trader. Delta is based on options and derivatives, John. Yeah. Yes and no. Uh, it can go indeed, although you want the fair value gap to be open if you want to go down, and you should short. I should short from this area, maybe an SFU in the inducement here. Take some liquidity and go down. Maybe go a little bit into this fair value gap and then go down. But let's see what's going down. What's going on? It's not so used on crypto, especially on Bitcoin, Richard. Yeah, Dalmudi, around here. You asked about delta. What net delta is? It's coming from derivatives and options. I think Kevin from our group is the best one to speak about it. It's used mostly on stocks and on hard on the exchanges, but on crypto it's not that useful. I'm sure if you drop off this question tonight when Kev it's on, he will be more than glad to answer to it on how is he using delta on stocks. We didn't hit 2R here to move the stop loss at break even. I need 2R in order to move the stop loss here. Let's see, USD CAD, okay. This one is pushing. US oil, USD CHF chef. Yeah, I will short here if I see the chance. Let's see. Go on 2 minutes. See some divergence forming. Let's see how it goes. We just closed a high time frame candle here. Let's see, 30 minutes. Yeah, this one will go higher. So if you want to cut in slight losses here, you can cut it. But based on how they closed, on the buying pressure that they did here, there is a lot of buying pressure in this candle. So you can choose to close this trade here. The probability for it to go in the stop loss is pretty high. So you can choose to close on a slight loss, like half of what you originally had. I'll wait for the SFU. Most likely it will happen. You can wait and close it at break even, or if you go on 1 minute, what you can do here, it's trail. It's what I'll actually do, just trail the stop loss. Because the probability for it to go down from here is pretty low. Most likely they will try to SFU. The buying pressure, you can see, it was really high. I'm waiting for the SFU now on this one. Okay, let's see what we have on ES. USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is close. Yeah, let's see. Preparing to short USD CAD. There are some news about BitBoy right now, Paul. Yeah, so I think you had everyone had a chance to close this one around here. It can go down, I don't say that, but the probabilities, and we work with probabilities, is that they will take this as support and go higher. And SFU, I look for an SFU here. Okay, let's see if we get a setup here on USD CAD. Let's go on 2 minutes. Bearish divergence forming. I'll wait for a raid, for a liquidity raid, and then for the candle to close, the 2 minutes candle to close. Come on, move. No, I guess it's pushing. DXY is struggling here with these gaps. Plenty of liquidity. I still wait for it to SFU this highs and dump from golden pocket area. Got my orders on ES. Now I'm waiting for USD CAD. Maybe I get an entry here. Such a clear take profit area here on USD CAD. Equal lows. I'm expecting this, so pump into shorted low zone, SFU everything. Boom, reclaimed. Boom, trigger. We can see a retest of 0.5 of this candle, Yan level. Come on. Move. Move, move, move. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it wants to push lower for this equal lows here with this target. That's where I'll look for the scalp long. 1 second, I got the phone, I have to take it. Okay, back. Yeah, we have some plans already made. We just need to wait now to see what they want to do. What market wants to do. Let me check right now, render. In my opinion, render will give at least the chance to close at break even. So if you want to close it at break even, it's not looking great indeed. If you want to close this one at break even, definitely, yeah, you can close it. But usually what they do is they want to check this GAN level of 0.5, and you see they already did exactly this. So I would look at this one not to go lower than this level and maybe cut it, but I would wait two ways. Either wait to close at break even or stop loss. That would be my way of framing this one. I think it had some bullish divergence from what I saw. Yeah, we have some, and we have a lot of liquidity to the upside. So yeah, you can close it at break even. It's not having the best reaction. And the setup that I'm using, it's a setup based on reactions. You want to see good reactions from that level. When we have a market structure shift and well, it's still a setup. So up to you. Yeah, I don't know. Market started to range here, but plan is still the same. I'm waiting to short USD CAD if we get a chance. Deviation here, short on ES and US oil. I would like to play US oil, but I'll give it some more time. Maybe in the next couple of hours. But I usually prefer to play this on London. I don't want it to go, especially I don't want it to go tomorrow. Would be invalid. So short on this one, ES short, and that would be it. Yeah, that would be it, guys. So I'll just wait for these two shorts here on ES and target Monday low. Then USD CAD, I'll be looking to short here, and the same stuff targeting these equal lows here, and maybe US oil, but we have nothing for the moment from US oil. It's still at the middle of the range. Nothing that we can do. That's my plan. And on USD CAD, I'll wait for a 2 or 3 minutes candle to deviate back underneath Monday high, and then I'll trigger a short. If you want to join and trade with us, don't forget that we are on Discord. We are a big community of traders. You can find us trading every day over there, and we are having lots of fun daily. If you want to join, feel free. And we have daily live streams in London, New York. We have Kevin doing market overview each day. So there's lots of quality that you can get out. Yeah, I'll drop off. Not too many things to do. Plans are already made, and now I'm just waiting for the trigger. USD CAD recap. USD CAD short. I'll short here. ES. I'm looking to short here, and US oil if I get a chance until maybe New York Open to play Monday range on this one. More than that, we have nothing. And maybe Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin plan is made. I'm looking to long here or short this area in the same manner with Monday range. And that would be it, guys. If you really enjoyed the show, just hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we start this kind of streams. Yeah, see you later. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bye bye.